So Bitcoin just went above 65,000, which is really, really bullish. And I was expecting this the whole October. And it seems like we are starting to go up. The bull run is starting because this is the October, the best month for crypto historically. And here you can see it right now. It is around 64,860. It basically went down a little bit, but it's okay that it's hovering around 64, 65,000. I hope it goes 67,000 today, but who knows? And what I want to talk about is the biggest narrative in crypto right now, and you cannot deny it, is the meme coins. Here you can see the top meme coin is Doge, the second one is SHIB, and the third one is Pepe. And as we all understand, when Bitcoin is going up, altcoins are going up, and meme coins are going up the most. It seems like the meme coins on base are taking up some big volume, big money are being locked in into base meme coins. But the easiest and the safest way is to buy Dogecoin because it's the biggest one. Elon Musk is shilling it. He's tweeting about it still in 2024. Shiba Inu is the second one. So the bigger the meme coin, the safer it is because there are more holders. There are not any developers that are holding like 10% or 15% that can just dump this token. That's why the meme coins that are biggest ones are the safest ones. But what I want to talk about is some more riskier plays, so you can get bigger advantages, bigger returns in case they are going up. And the first one is Trump. Why Trump? Because elections are coming really, really soon. The voting is coming like in 20, 30 days, like in 25 days, something like that. So I am predicting that this coin will go much, much higher. I hope it will go at least to like $30 because the market cap is relatively low, $200 million. The biggest meme coins are around $5 billion, $11 billion. So this is still 10x away from 2 billion. That's why this is one of my favorite because there are no secret developers, secret holders that hold like 5 to 10% of the total supply. These are not the coin that is shilled by biggest meme coin shillers. I don't like meme coin shillers because in my opinion there are secret groups, secret insiders that are pumping their own coins. And this is basically, if you go in the SolScan, you can see that people are holding. I think the biggest holders are holding like 2%, 1%. This coin is not held by big whales. The biggest holder looks like is holding 2%, 300,000. Then you have 1%, 1%, and less than 1%. So this means really, really nice coin to hold. That's my personal holding. This is not a financial advice. And the second one I am buying and holding is this called Make America Based Again, because Elon Musk actually tweeted this Make America Based Again. And you can see market cap is $181,000. And why I am bullish on this is because this is the creator. He has 4 CryptoPunks. He has 138,000 followers, which is huge. And you can see the pinned post is this one. He basically created this coin, 100x gem based. Here you can see the wallet, the contract address is right here on the second tweet. And that's why I am bullish, because he basically is talking about it. He hasn't been talking about this coin since like last week. But I think as the Bitcoin starts going up and we get closer to the elections, he will start talking about it. I will start talking about it, keep talking about it on my Twitter, on my YouTube. And if you're not following me on Twitter, you can follow it right here, johnsavage.ethereum. The link is in the description. So this is basically the really, really risky play because the market cap is low. But again, if we are looking at the holders on the SolScan, you can see that biggest holders are holding 3%. The second one is 2%. Then we have 1% holders, which is really low holding. You can see the biggest holder is holding $6,000 worth of this coin. Then we have $2,000 holders. Not that risky in my opinion. Of course, the lower the market cap, the riskier, but I put some $100 or $200. So if it goes up, I think this is easy 10x, 50x, maybe even 100x in the best case scenario. And looking at the fact that it went to like $5 million, right now it would be at around 30 to 40x if it goes back. And looking at the fact that we have still Trump is really all over the news, and many people are bullish on Trump. And I think everything will get even more crazier as we get closer to the elections. That's why this is my biggest degen play in meme coins. This is what I like the most. I don't like the meme coins that are being shilled by the biggest meme influencers on Twitter. Again, and that's just basically my opinion. I think this will go really, really high. Right now, it's really low at 181,000. And that's basically my tactic, just buying some presidential tokens, because presidential elections are getting crazier and crazier, and we are getting closer to the actual voting. And again, if you want to, for some reason, buy this meme coin, you can find it right here on markets. If you want to buy it on centralized exchange, you can buy it on MEMECOINS or Gate.io. You can sign up with my referral link, so you get a $20,000 bonus. The link is in the description. And yes, you can buy the Trump token on MEMECOINS. Here you can see MAG token and MEMECOINS. If you want to buy on the decentralized exchange, you have Uniswap, Orca, PancakeSwap, Radium, and yeah, that's basically it. That's how you buy this Trump token. If you want to buy base, you have to buy on Radium. Just copy this contract address and enter in Radium, and you will be able to buy this token. So second thing I want to tell you is that if you are really, really bullish on meme coins, you have a lot of time to research. You have 14 hours a day to basically buy and trade meme coins. I would recommend you to watch this video by Orangey. This is one of the best meme coin trader, and this specific video that I am showing right now, right here, you can go on this channel. This is the last video, I think. Here you will see, yes, this is the last video. Here he will show you how you can buy meme coins early at low market caps, how you can predict which meme coins will go up. And this is really the best alpha that I know that I have found on the internet. And he basically shows in 16 minutes all the tools that he's using. And yes, he's using many tools to buy meme coins. And if I had 14 to even 8 hours a day to just watch that Twitter, watch some founders that are talking about their dogs, cats, or just mentioning some of their animals or something memeable on Twitter, I would definitely use this tactic, because he's talking about every in and out, how you can find the best meme coins, find it fast, enter fast, buy fast, and get like 5 to 10x daily. Even in the bad markets, he is getting really, really big gains. So that's basically what I want to tell you in this video. If you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto NFT Edge Alpha like this, press the like, press the subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.